If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipes.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite salads, and that is lentil salad. I know many people don't make salads out of lentil, but trust me, this is so good. It is so refreshing. It's perfect for summers. But you know what? I don't always eat something specific for summer, something specific for winters. I eat everything all the time. Anyways, so let me just get started. Show you the ingredients. It's super simple, very less ingredients. You can see I don't have too many things spread out over here today. So let me just show it to you. I have some chopped up onions, some finely grated carrot because you don't want big chunks in your salad, some fresh cilantro, tomato, cucumber. I have a lot of cucumber because it's very refreshing. I have some feta cheese over there. And for spices, I have lemon juice, garlic powder, salt, paprika, black pepper, and some olive oil over here. And over here, the main ingredient, I have black lentils. What I did is I just soaked it for 2 hours and then I boiled it for 10 minutes and drained out the water. And here are my lentils, absolutely ready. They are not mushy or anything because I just boiled it for 10 minutes. And you can find the ingredients and instructions perfectly, like how you want to make it and everything, in the link in the description box below. So don't worry about that. So let's get started. Okay, first things first, let me just combine everything for the salad. I'm gonna add the onions, carrot, cucumber, and onions. They give such a good crunch to this dish. Oh my god. Cucumber, it's gonna overflow. Tomato, I'm actually gonna add everything in it. There is no cooking required. You just have to cook the lentils just for 10 minutes. Your salad can be ready in like less than 5 minutes. I'm just gonna give it a mix. It's gonna be difficult because I think I took a wrong bowl for this, but that's okay. Just give it a mix. It's also very healthy. It's low in fat. It's also filling, so you don't have to worry about you're gonna stay hungry after eating this. You're not gonna be hungry. So I'm gonna just mix it like a little bit. And over here, I'm just gonna keep it aside for now. Over here, I have my olive oil. I'm gonna add lemon juice to it. Paprika. Pepper. And this is the kind of dressing that you can always add to any of your salads. It's very simple and it goes with almost all of the salads. So garlic powder and salt, and I'm just going to give it a quick mix. And I'm going to pour this entire dressing to my little salad here. And now give it a good mix. I'm gonna mix everything properly, and once I mix this, I'm gonna show it to you how it looks then. Okay, now that my salad is mixed properly, you can see how delicious it looks. Oh my god, it is so refreshing. Without even eating, I feel like, oh my god, it's gonna be so delicious, and my lunch is gonna be so delicious. Anyway, so I'm gonna take some for myself here in the bowl and show you how. And this is how you're gonna serve it. When you're done making this, you want to take out some in the bowl or in a plate wherever you're serving. And a little more. Okay. And then you're going to take your feta cheese and crumble. This is already crumbled, but I'm just going to crumble it some more and sprinkle it over your salad. And feta cheese is gonna make all the difference. Trust me in that. You don't want to miss feta cheese. you have to have veggies. A little bit. And now let's do the tasting. Oh my god, it's so delicious. I'm gonna take a bite with everything. Oh my god, this is the best lentil salad you will ever make. Slight heat from the paprika, the crunchiness from the cucumber and onion, the freshness from the cucumber and cilantro. Oh my god, it is just so delicious. You guys have to try it. Do let me know how you like it. And if you like my recipes, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in my next recipe. Bye bye!